In today's energy markets, focusing on WTI. WTI holding up once again today, right around the 52.45 level. We did have some reports this morning. The EIA report came out, and that's the Energy Information Administration. And they indicated that production in the U.S. continues to ramp up, even more significantly, I think, than they had expected in the fourth quarter of 2018. Right now, we're seeing the U.S. production topping out at 11.9 million barrels per day. They had expected the production levels to reach 12 million barrels per day sometime in 2019, but it looks like we're going to reach it much sooner than what the EIA actually had anticipated, even in the fourth quarter of 2018. Continuing with that EIA report, we did get the inventory numbers for the week, and those were actually a little bit larger draw. We saw a 2.68 million barrel draw with the expectation somewhere around the 1.32, so double the draw that it was expected. And when you look at the price of oil today, we did actually see some selling pressure when those production numbers came out. We saw oil dip down into the 51 level, 51.26 level actually, but then we saw that oil rally this afternoon as, again, the idea that continued production and the excess demand, I believe, is also driving this force. When you see transportation costs now being reduced going overseas, we're seeing exports increasing, so there is a market for that WTI production increase, and I think that's being priced in here as we continue to see oil hold above $52 a barrel. And I can tell you, when you look at the price action for the last week and a half or so in WTI, again, we continue to hold up at the top end of the range. Currently, the closing high was on January 10th, and that was 52.59. We're just below that at 52.45 right now. And if you look at the intraday high over the course of the last week and a half in this oil bounce, it's 53.31, which was on January 11th. So again, those are two levels to keep an eye on. Closing high of 52.59 and an intraday high of 53.31, where we're seeing right now oil WTI around that 52.50 level.